Hello Year 1, I hope you're all well and staying safe at home. Today I thought we'd do a phonics lesson and I thought we'd focus on that sound we haven't learnt yet. Can you remember what it is? The picture is a bit of a clue. It is the E sound for monkey. So, which letters do we use in this E sound? We've got an E and a Y, and together they make E. So we're going to get our magic fingers out. Should we blow on them, make sure they're working? And we are going to practice writing it. We're going to do E, Y, E, Y, E, and we're going to do that 3 more times. Ready? Y, E, Y, E, Y, E. Good. Now we've written it in the air, let's try writing it on the floor. You've got 5 seconds to write it as many times as you can on the floor. Ready? 5. How many times did you get to write it? I hope you managed to write it at least 3 times. Now, this is what the part woodpecker's like, is you're going to find somewhere where it tickles on your body and you are going to write that. I am going to write it on the palm of my hand. Ready? Y, E. 3 times. Y, E, Y, E, Y, E. Good. Now, it is time for us to start writing it on some paper. So if you haven't already got some, go and find yourself a pencil and a bit of paper, or if you've got a whiteboard and whiteboard pen, you can do it on that. So I have got my whiteboard here and we are going to start practicing writing that E sound. So start with my Y, E, and I do a long sound button. Does anyone know why I do a long sound button? Good, it is because we have got 2 letters that make up one sound, so we join them together because it is just one sound. Now, I would like you to try and write the E sound 5 times. Ready? Off you go. So now we have practiced writing our E sound, we are going to see if we can recognise it and read it in some words. So I have got 6 different words here that we are going to use our sound buttons to see if we can read them. Now you can either follow along on screen, or maybe if you're with an adult they can write out the words and you can have a go at reading them and drawing your own sound buttons. So we're going to start here. We've got K, E, key, T, K, E, turkey, M, N, K, E, monkey. That's a tricky one because the O sounds like an There's one more word here that also has that sound in it. We've got Ch, I, E, chimney. J, O, K, E, jockey. We've got H, A, N, E, honey. Did you see that tricky O sound again? Fabulous. So, what do you notice about our E sound? Where does it come in the word? Good. It mostly comes at the end of a word, and that is how we can remember that when the E and the Y are together they make that E sound. So we've practiced writing the sound, we've practiced reading it in some words, and now we are going to practice writing our E words. So I am going to show you a picture. You need to try and guess what word it is, and I'll give you 3 seconds to do that, and then we will write it together. So our first word is 3, 2, 1. Key. Can you think of the sound we need for key? I'm going to go k, e, key, k, e, key. Next word is this one. 3, 2, 1. Turkey. T, turkey. Turkey. Our next word. 3, 2, 1. Jockey. That is the person riding the horse. Is a jockey. J, o, k, e. Jockey. Our last word for now is 3, 2, 1. Chimney. What Santa got stuck in? The ch, knee. Chimney. How did you do with all of those? So it is now time for us to write our sentence. So make sure you've got space on your whiteboard or your paper to write just a short sentence. So our first word is Santa. Santa and the jockey. Can we remember how to spell that one? J, o, k. What's that E sound I need? Yeah. Santa and the jockey got stuck in the chimney. Ch, knee. Chimney. Good, have I finished my sentence now? I've got my capital letter, I've got my finger spaces, so what do I need at the end? A full stop. Fabulous. So, I hope you enjoyed that little phonics lesson and I will see you again soon. Bye!